As a recent test taker myself, I know exactly how challenging the GMAT journey can be. And after having given multiple attempts and having been stuck at a score plateau of about 700 for the longest time, it finally feels good to cross that barrier and enter that coveted 730 plus club. GMATWhiz was instrumental in helping me identify what was holding my score back and help me make those changes that were necessary to finally cross that threshold and really get the best out of my attempt. And for all of you out there who are struggling with the GMAT or has been in a similar situation as me, I urge you to just hang in there and seek the right mentorship and reach out and identify those changes that you need to make in your preparation to cross that score, that plateau that you're in. And it's just a reminder that it's all going to be worth it in the end when you see that score flash on your screen. And for everyone out there who's planning to apply this year, I wish you the very best and I hope that you get your dream admit. Sending you loads of love from Japan.